Stop getting crappy credit cards. No, you don't need Credit One's First Premier or Open Skies to build your credit. That's a lie. I'm gonna say that again. If you're rebuilding your credit and you just applied for Credit One, First Premier, or Open Sky, stop. You are literally paying to stay broke, and I'm not even trying to be funny. You're paying annual fees for low limits for cards that won't grow with you. And when you finally cancel them, boom, your score is going to drop. So today, I'm giving you 2 credit cards that actually rebuild credit the right way. One builds credit with real banking relationship, and the other with a $1,500 limit with no hard inquiry. And if you missed the second one, you're leaving points on the table. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm so tired of influencers saying, oh, you just need to get the stepping stone card. No, because here's what they don't explain. When you close a bad credit card, number 1, your available credit drops. Number 2, your utilization spikes. And number 3, your score dips. And yes, positive history can stay up for 10 years, but your overall profile shifts immediately. So now you're stuck. So do you A, keep paying a $95 annual fee for nothing forever, or B, close it and take a hit? Either way, you lose. That's why the smarter move is starting with cards that can actually graduate, cards that scale, cards that turn into real leverage. Now let's talk about the first one. Card number 1 is the Capital One Platinum, the relationship play. I want you to listen carefully. This isn't about hype, this is about strategy. Capital One is one of the largest subprime lenders in America, and here's the difference between them and almost every other bank. If you mess up with most banks, you're blacklisted. Capital One, they'll let you back in. That's power. So step 1, use their pre-approval tool. There is no hard inquiry, just to check. Say it with me. No hard inquiry, just to check. Only when you accept does the hard inquiry happen. Big difference. Now, depending on your credit, you might get the Platinum secured or the Platinum unsecured. Deposits are gonna range from $49 to $250. And no, it's not glamorous, but it's a doorway. And here's how you use it like a grown adult. Put your Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, cell phone bill on the card, nothing crazy, then pay it off in full every single month. Do not, and I repeat, do not carry a balance. We are not paying interest to rebuild credit. Now here's where people mess up. They get the card, they ignore the upgrade emails. Capital One will send upgrade offers to your email or in the app. If you don't accept when eligible, you can get stuck in entry-level land. How do I know? It happened to me. There's also a product change link you can check periodically to see if you qualify for an upgrade. And upgrading matters because now you move forward into the Saver One, the Venture family, higher limits, better internal scoring. And here's the bigger play nobody talks about. Capital One does auto loans. They do refinancing. They do checking and savings. Not a big fan of their savings because there was a big scandal with that, so be aware. So when you stack products with them though, you build relationship equity, and relationship equity equals better approvals. Down the line, you might need to refinance a 22% interest car loan into something way lower. Yes, that does exist. I have helped people refinance their car loans using Capital One. That's why I know this exists. You might qualify for a premium card. You might get better internal offers. That's why this isn't just a beginner card. It's an entry point into an ecosystem that nobody ever talks about. So make sure to drop it in the comment section, build the relationship, because this is long-term chess. Now, quick reality check. If you've got collections, charge-offs, or negative items, getting the right card helps. But removing negative items accelerates everything. I've seen 200+ point swings when people clean up their report strategically. Card strategy plus profile cleanup equals speed. Now let's talk about my favorite rebuilding tool, because this one is different. Card number 2 is the cred.ai card. I call it the no debt cheat code, because this right here, this is discipline automation. Again, the cred.ai credit card. Let's break this down as fast as we can. There's no hard inquiry, no interest, and no annual fee. FDI insured up to $250,000, massive ATM network, 24/7 human support. But here's the killer part. It reports a $1,500 credit limit to all 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Now here's how it works. You deposit money, let's say $10, $1, $100, or nothing. You can only spend 100 if you put 100. That's it. If you put 10, you can only spend 10. You cannot overspend. You cannot carry a balance, and you cannot get into debt, which means no interest, no accidental late payments, no spiraling utilization. This is like training wheels for adults, and for beginners, it's gold. I've been a proponent for this card for over 5 years now. People don't understand how powerful this card is. I don't get paid a damn dime for referring people for this credit card or the other credit card from Capital One either. So that tells you how powerful both these credit cards are and these ecosystems. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Now here's the powerful part that a lot of people don't understand. It reports as a standard credit card, not secured, standard. So your utilization calculation instantly benefits from a $1,500 line. So let's say you only use 20 bucks. That's extremely low utilization, which looks phenomenal to scoring models. So now your profile shows active revolving account, on-time payment history, low utilization, and a $1,500 credit line. And you never risk going into debt. That's why this card is perfect for people scared of credit cards and don't want credit cards, rebuilders who messed up before, people that went through a bankruptcy, young adults learning discipline, and parents teaching their kids how to use credit cards properly. You literally cannot mess this up unless you try, and psychologically maybe, I don't know. But you really can't. It truly rewires how you think about credit. You stop fearing, you start controlling. Now make sure to drop in the comment section discipline over debt, because that's the entire mind shift that I'm trying to teach you. Last part's the most important. Now here's the power move. You don't choose one, you layer them. Capital One builds relationship equity, cred.ai strengthens utilization safely, and now your profile has real bank relationship, strong internal scoring, $1,500 reported limit, perfect payment history, controlled usage. That's how you rebuild strategically, not emotionally, not impulsively, strategically. So stop applying for trash credit cards. Stop paying annual fees for beginner limits. Start building relationships. Start automating discipline. But if you're serious about rebuilding your credit the smart way this year, drop your current credit score in the comments and tell me which one you're going after. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's gonna teach you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with the 110% money back guarantee and a free credit analysis. And you don't have to book a call or talk to anybody on the phone. It does it all for you to show you what's hurting your credit and let you fix it instantly. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.